Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make tapioca pudding. This turned out so delicious, it's yummy-cious, and I hope you're going to give this a shot because it's definitely a must-try recipe, and trust me, your kids are going to love it. Let's get started. First thing first, add water to your saucepan, cover it and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, add in your tapioca pearls. So immediately you add in the pearls, go ahead and stir it. Make sure you stir it very well. Cover it and let it cook for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir it again. Make sure you stir it at least once every 5 minutes. At least this took more or less 15 minutes to get ready, but of course depending on the quantity of your tapioca pearls. So guys, just look at it. This is still not cooked, as you can tell. You can see the white thing in. That means it's still not there. You want it to be translucent, so please let it cook. Mine cooked about like maximum 15-16 minutes. It should be ready. Stay close to it. This does not take time at all, and keep stirring. So when you get to this point like this, it's almost ready, and then let it cook for about 5 minutes more, and it was ready. So when you get to this point like this, it's almost ready. And guys, just look at it. After 15 minutes, this is the outcome. As you can tell from the video, it's translucent. So I'll take it off from the fire and then add it to my strainer. I'll then add in water, cold water. Make sure you add in cold water. It stops it from sticking to each other, and then it helps for the separation. But one thing about this tapioca pearls is that anytime, like, you can even leave it like this and then add something liquid to it, it will separate immediately, and then you're good to go. So guys, this is how I did mine. You can let it run under a tap, under water, and then let it get separated, and add in your favorite thing at all, like your milk, fruits, and you are good to go. So after it's well separated like so, I then went ahead and added in a pinch of salt and sugar. The salt is totally optional, but like, it balances the sweetness, so make sure you add in a pinch of salt. You can even add it to the water whilst cooking. Just a pinch of salt, not that much. After I added in evaporated milk, and then I'll stir this together to well combine. So when you get to this point like this on itself, mama mia, que bueno. It's nice. I went ahead and added in fruits. Add in any fruits of your choice. You know, this is full of carbohydrates, so you want to balance it with something like vitamins, with something that has protein. You can even use nuts, only nuts, and you are good to go. So guys, it's very simple, easy. Add in any fruits of your choice. You can add in strawberry, kiwi, banana, apricots, any fruit at all of your choice, and you are good to go. Guys, just look at it. It's so delicious. Your kids will love it. Your guests will love it. Try this and let me know in the comment section or in the description box below. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this amazing tapioca pudding. Just look at this. It's so delicious. One day I'll invite you all to my house and come and enjoy some of my dishes, guys. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and stay blessed. And as always, you're invited. Ciao ciao, bye.